Hello guys, so today we are at the cinema and you see there's no one in here. Just a quick, overview. So now we're unboxing the 3D glasses and let's see. Just look at how beautiful they are. Oh, and the premium, the materials are. This is real, premium thingy. And yes, thanks for watching, and see you in on the yes. See you.
Bye bye.